Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War Definitive Edition crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, freezing, not launching or won't launch, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to try minus DX11, minus no movies, or minus DX12 in launch options. To do so, open Steam and go to library, right click on Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War Definitive Edition game and select properties. This is just an example. So go to properties and in the launch option type minus DX11 and then close the tab, and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then type no movies. So again go to properties of Dawn of War and then in general tab minus no movies and close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type minus DX12, close the tab, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove the command from the launch option and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to install DirectX. To do so, go to this Microsoft official website, link is given in video description. So once you are on this website, click on download and double click this exe file to install the DirectX, and after installing it you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to delete the Dawn of War folder. Please take a note, all saved settings will be lost and all game progress will be lost. So hence keep the backup of this folder to the desktop first and then proceed. So open File Explorer, then click on this PC, then go to C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data folder. If you don't see app data, then here click on view. In the drop down you will see show and hidden items. So click hidden items, then you can open app data folder, roaming folder, relic entertainment folder, and inside that you will see Dawn of War folder. First copy and paste this folder to desktop and then right click on it and delete this folder, and then you can launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. To do so, you can go to the official AMD website if you are having AMD graphic card drivers. If you are having NVIDIA graphic card, then you can go to this NVIDIA official website. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So once you are on the NVIDIA graphic card driver website, now you have to select your graphic card model over here, then select the Windows operating system, then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. So click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option, then click on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. Fifth solution is to run Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War Definitive Edition as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War Definitive Edition game, click on manage and then select browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Dawn of War Definitive Edition folder. Now here right click on W40K exe file and select properties, and then you can go to the compatibility tab and then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here, from the game installation folder, and check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to modify the compatibility settings. What you have to do, you have to again go to the compatibility settings for this W40K exe file, and this time also tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for from drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down from here select Windows 7, then hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to compatibility tab, and this time also select disable full screen optimization box, hit apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. Now when you put all this check mark and still your game is not working or still your problem is not solved, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Sixth solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So what you have to do, you have to type graphics settings in Windows search and click on open. Then click on add desktop app and browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, Dawn of War definitive edition folder, and here select W40K exe file and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance, then launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to allow Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War definitive edition through firewall or antivirus. So in Windows search for Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps folder, common folder, open Dawn of War definitive edition folder and select W40K exe file and click open to add it to the list. Next in Windows search type Windows security and click on it. Then click on firewall and network protection. Then click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app. Then click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder, that is C drive, program files, Steam apps, common, Dawn of War definitive edition folder. Select W40K exe file and add it. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click OK to save the changes. Now you can launch the game and check. But still your problem is not fixed, then make sure to allow the Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War definitive edition exe file through the antivirus program, or you can disable it for a while. So if you have any third-party antivirus installed on your PC such as McAfee, AVG, Kaspersky, Norton, Bitdefender, so you have to allow this exe file through it. Then you can launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this Microsoft official website. Once you are on this official website, you have to download x86 and S64 version. Download both the version and one by one install it. And while installing, if you see a repair option, then repair it. If you see install option, then install it. And after installing both the x64 and x86 version, you can launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War definitive edition game and select properties. This is just an example. Then go to install files, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification of the file, you can launch the game and check. 10th solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings, go to Windows update on the left side, then click on check for updates, and if you see any updates available, then download and install all of them, and then you can launch the game and check. 11th solution is to uninstall and reinstall Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War definitive edition. So if nothing seems to work, then uninstall Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War definitive edition game from your PC and then restart your PC and reinstall the game. You can install in SSD or another SSD drive. If you have earlier installed the game on E drive or F drive, then install in local C drive and then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix the Warhammer 40,000 Dawn of War definitive edition crashing issue, not launching, won't launch issue, not loading, stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen problem, on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.